Hi guys, it's Kats from kkatz Vegan Kitchen. Welcome to another episode. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please take a moment and hit that subscribe button below and that notification bell so you're aware of when my next videos come out. You will be following along on my weight loss journey. Currently, I have lost 50 pounds in about 2.5 months doing the Starch Solution. So if you're interested in a whole food, plant-based diet, please follow along on our channel. I don't think I need introductions, but I will do one. I made mac and cheese, yes, KD, a knockoff, whatever you want to call it, absolutely delicious. Sorry, that was my bird in the background screaming. He's supposed to be sleeping, but wants to talk. So, KD, let's just jump in and enjoy this video. Alright guys, time for the epic macaroni cheese. Get your water to boil, throw in your pasta. Pretty straightforward. I just used a gluten-free pasta here. Once it's cooked to your perfection, strain it out into the cheese sauce. Watch my video from the other day to see how to make the cheese sauce. I add in about 1/4 cup of plant-based milk. I use the original almond breeze. You can use unsweetened, completely up to you. I just like the flavor and the sweetness that is added to the mac and cheese when you use the original one. And just keep in mind the calorie count is a little bit higher, but that's all right. So keep on stirring. It'll look like it's not coming together, and then all of a sudden, magic. Beautiful, smooth, creamy, yellow, gorgeous. Throw in your pasta, thoroughly mix it through. And then, magic again, you get this glorious, yellow, beautiful, creamy pasta. Plate it up. This was for my daughter, and she absolutely loved it. She had like 3 bowls. So the next part of the video is making leftovers creamy again. So you know when it's in the fridge and it doesn't want to work out for you when you warm up it in the microwave, warm it up in the frying pan. Add about a tablespoon of the cheese that you have left over, and I added in about 1/4 cup to 1/2 cup, I believe, of milk, and it was the perfect amount. Again, it will look like it's all separating. It'll be fibrous because of the potatoes and the squash, but then magically, again, it comes together and it's absolutely perfect. There's my leftovers. I just toss them in and I work it through until it's nice and warm, and you will notice that it will start thickening up because the cornstarch gets reactivated, and it is perfect and creamy and delicious. And then just plate it up and enjoy it. It is perfect. Just add some parsley, or you can add green onions, whatever you like on top. I added parsley personally, and so delicious. Hi guys, good afternoon. Here is my bowl. Now this is the leftovers, and I showed you how to make this in the video, so please go and watch it on my YouTube channel. It is in the link on my channel or on my Instagram as you guys are watching it here. This is glorious, creamy, wonderful, and I just basically show you how to remake it once it's dried out in the fridge, if you know what I mean. So let's give this a try. There's so much smokiness because of the paprika, which is like a smoky paprika. The flavors are dead on. There's a sweetness to it because I just used the original milk. It reminds me so much of my childhood. I used to eat mac and cheese all the time. So guys, if you want to hide your vegetables from your kids, you need to try this recipe out. I can't even explain how good it is.
Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Welcome back, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. This recipe was unreal. I recommend it hands down. It will bring back feelings of when you were a kid. Oh, the taste is unreal. There is nothing to alter. It is absolutely perfect. So make sure to see my previous video so you can see the cheese sauce that I use in this recipe as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. And remember always, one life, one love, one purpose. Go out and do you today and never let anybody stop you from your dreams, including your weight loss journey. Thanks guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.